Hey everyone, welcome back to MS English AI. Today, we're learning English from real life, not from a book. Imagine this. You walk into a cozy coffee shop. The smell of fresh coffee, quiet music playing, people talking softly. And now, it's your turn to order.
And you want to sound confident, right? Don't worry, we'll do it together. Good morning. What can I get for you today?
Hi, could I get a medium latte, please?
Sure. Would you like that hot or iced?
Iced, please. Oh, and can I add caramel syrup?
Of course. Anything else?
That's all, thank you. How much is it?
That'll be $4.50.
Here you go.
Thanks. Your drink will be ready in a minute.
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Have a lovely day.
You too. Paul, I notice you said, could I get, instead of can I get. Is there really a difference?
Good question. Can I get is casual. You can use it with friends. But could I get sounds softer, more polite. When you talk to strangers, like a barista or someone at a store, could I is the better choice.
Oh, that makes sense. And saying please and thank you, it really makes the conversation feel warm.
Exactly. English isn't only about grammar. It's about how you make people feel. When you speak politely, you don't just sound fluent, you sound kind.
All right, let's practice together. Everyone watching, repeat after us. Hi, could I get a medium latte, please?
Now the next part, hot or iced. Say, iced, please. Oh, and can I add caramel syrup?
Good. And now finish with, that's all, thank you.
Nice! You sound great already. Remember, don't rush. Speak slowly, smile, and enjoy the sound of your words. English feels better when you enjoy speaking it.
You know, this isn't just about ordering coffee. It's about feeling confident using English in real life. Not perfect English, but real English.
Exactly. Every time you order, greet someone, or ask a question, you're building your real English voice. These small moments create big change.
So, next time you go to a cafe, remember this conversation and speak without fear.
Because every could I get is one step closer to fluency.
Thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed learning English this way, like, share, and subscribe to MS English AI.
And remember, real English lives in real moments.
See you in the next episode.